Well, good day everyone. I just want to point out something here. I was given a couple of items recently to scrap out. One was, I'll just zoom in there, a Sonic 32-inch high definition LED LCD TV. And I thought, oh yeah, I'll give it a go to see what I can recover out of it. Now I'll just go down here. There's the screen and the backing. And as you can see, it's just plastic. There's our screen, another screen, and inside you can see along here LED light and just a tin backboard. Right, we'll just zoom over here. And this here is exactly what was inside. What I might do, I'll just get a ruler. Where are we? Just over here. Okay, there we have it. That is exactly what we got outside, out of the LCD 32-inch colour TV. Now, as you can see here, there's a little heatsink there, little piece of aluminium, a little bit of copper inside there. I'll just grab my screwdriver so I can touch the rest of it because it's insulated. A little bit of copper windings there, a little bit of copper windings there. Like I say, there's copper inside there. There may be tiniest bit of gold just available along here. Apart from that, everything else that you see has nothing. There is absolutely nothing to recover on this TV. The only thing that I'll probably end up doing will be taking a little bit of copper out of there, and there's a little bit in there. Take that aluminium, there's one, and that aluminium heatsink right there. Apart from that, for myself, there's nothing here that I'd take. The only other thing that I may use later on would be the stand that come off it. Now, my purpose today, I did get given a couple of cameras, video cameras to strip. What I want to do is give you a little bit of a warning. See these jokers here? These capacitors? Now, I've already taken the charge out, but I'll just turn it around so I've got a better view of it. Right, see right here? That's what you want to do. You want to earth that out, make sure you just arc those across, because these here hold a charge. Them in themselves, they won't do you any harm, but if they're carrying a charge and you touch it, you're going to get yourself a massive shock, because they do hold electricity. So be warned. Don't let children, and even you yourself, be very, very careful of them. What I'll do now, I'll just set up and I'll just show you what I've done on the inside of this camera. Just hold still for a sec. Well, here we go again. This is something I was mainly going to do today. I did the TV earlier, but anyway, I was given a digital Sony camera. Not sure of the model number. I think we do have something. There we go. Spin it around. There we have it. Digital still camera. Good for playing movies as well. Anyway, I thought I'd pull that apart for a number of reasons. One, I just wanted to see what was inside. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of circuitry inside it, and there was just thousands of screws that I had to undo to get this thing out. But the main thing I want to stress here is something I just mentioned earlier, was this little guy here. See this guy here? I'll just put him over there and just have a look at him. Stay still. There we go. Just zoom in there. Now that capacitor there, I've actually cut the ends of it. It normally has 2 prongs just there. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, these here hold a massive charge, folks, so please, 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 oh, sorry about this going out of focus there. There we go. They do hold a massive charge, so once again, if you have small children, even yourself, don't touch them. Ensure they are earthed out. Discharge that charge out of them. On their own like this, they're of no danger to you, but well, pretty much. Electronically they're not, but they do hold a charge, so make sure playing around with electronics that you discharge that electricity out of them. One other thing I will add too is a good friend of ours asked for some advice the other day about scrapping out a window rattler air conditioner, and but due to the CFCs inside, I suggested that he probably just sell it as is, because to try and scrap it out, all you're going to do is put dangerous chemicals into the atmosphere, possibly hurt yourself. Anyway, he got a good price today, and he took it down, and old air conditioner was just going into scrap. He got just over $11, didn't have to spend any money or any time pulling it apart. So well done to one of our subscribers for taking our advice and doing that. Anyway, that's all for now. Cheers.